Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired July 13th, 2026. The topic of that episode was Independence Found in Knowing Truth. Swami, your insights.
True independence or freedom isn't getting what you want. It's conscious awareness of the divine creation, a realization of the force within, eliminating the concepts of birth and death.
Looking for truth without compromise? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purna